Hello everyone, I'm Zhen Xu. Today we talk about difference and correlation analysis of interpretation of bacteria fungus concentration in air by fluorescence detection and cornering country methods. The table of contents has 5 sections. 1. Introduction. Research background and motivation. The CCM less often used is a real-time and money drain, so our studies all about checking out if fluorescence detection may be a better way to measure quality and fungus levels in the air. I mean to taking the time and cost issues of the CCM. 2. Fluorescence detection and cornering country method. Fluorescence detection methods have different routes and uses. They are mainly for checking how clean the environment is, but they can tell you the exact atomic of bacteria and fungi like CCM. That's why they are not standardized yet. Basically, any methods take a sample, growing on an agar plant, and counts the correlation is called a cornering country method. How we sample and analyze on what we're tasting, like air, water quality, or surfaces of objects or food. 3. Methods. Main axes and objectives. We are looking at two main areas in indoor and outdoors. Indoors, we expect more consistent results or a clean correlation between methods. Outdoors, with more internal factors, we are expecting less consistency or a weaker correlation between results. Here the device will be using. Here's what we're doing indoors. First, we'll set up devices in the test chamber and spraying the bacterial liquid from low to high concentration. Then we'll use the infect microbial sampling device and microbial detector BM300C to sample bacteria and fungus at the same time. Place two devices outside in a chosen spot to sample at the same time. 4. Results. The results of the laboratory were as follows. Bacteria and fungi were measured 5 and 3 times respectively, excluding 2 outbound data points. We run a linear regression on the curved row results. We got of 0.6599, falling between 0.5 and 0.75. Here the atomization times needs for each concentration. The low concentration is 0 less and over equal 5.92 seconds. The medium concentration is 5.92 less and over equal 25.23 seconds. The high concentration is 44.55 less and over equal 63 and 63 seconds. Here are the onset findings. We got a matrix diagram showing the connection between bacterial communities. For the picture, we can know that a slight degradative link between fluorescence intensities and bacterial concentration. Fluorescence intensity is finally connected to temperature in a positive way. And the fungus communities is relationship between fluorescence intensities and fungus concentration. Fluorescence intensities have a slight negative connection with the surrounding temperature. 5. Conclusion. This study looking at both the fluorescence detection methods and the CCM, both in lab and out in the field. Here's what we find entirely. The BM300C works well in indoor space with moderate to low levels of microbes. Because of this, we managed to count down the organelle automation time from 20 minutes to under 1 minute. Plus, the BM300C's detection features make it a good fit for warmer or higher temperature environments. Thank you for your time.